Hello everyone, it's really good to see you here. So today we are going to solve a Leetcode problem which is valid palindrome. So what we are here going to do is if a palindrome is valid or not. So a phrase is a palindrome if after converting all the uppercase letter into lowercase and removing all non-alphanumerical characters, it's read the same forward and backward. And alphanumeric characters includes letter and numbers. So here we have stated that we have to check if this S is palindrome or not. So what we have to firstly do is we have to only consider either the letters or the numbers in the string. We don't have to consider this colon, commas and so on. And after doing that, we have to check if that particular string which we had just formed using alphanumeric characters, if it is palindrome, then we have to simply return true. Either else, the cases we have to return false. Now let's try to go on the approach for this problem. So firstly, what we have to do is we have given an string s, so we have to take an string t in which we have to increment t with si, and we have to only increment t with si if si is alphabet or if it is a number. In these cases only we have to increment it to t, and if this is not the case we don't have to increment it, and that's how we can make a string of alphanumeric values or characters. And after doing that we got this string t. Now what we have to do is to check if a string is palindrome or not. Just make a copy of that particular string and just reverse that string. So if the reverse string is equal to the original string, then we can say that it is a palindrome. So here we are only checking if t is equal to g, we have to simply return true, else we have to return false. Now let's move to the coding part. So here we had taken in string t and n is the size. And then what we are doing is we are iterating each character inside the string, and if that character x is alpha, so this is an inbuilt function which we are using here. So is alpha basically check if that particular x element is alphabet or not, and similarly is digit checks if it is a numeric value or not. And if this is the case, then we have to simply add the value of x. So what I'm doing is here you can see that there are so many uppercase and lowercase value. So I'm simply converting x to lowercase to don't get mess up later while checking for the palindrome. Now I'm just making a string g which is equal to t, and then I'm reversing that element, that particular string, and simply returning t equal to g. So here this return, what it does is if t equal to g, then it returns true. So the return value of this bool function is true, and if t is not equal to g, then this bool function returns false. So this is how we solve this problem. Now I'm going to submit this. Okay. So if you want to access the code directly, then you can check the GitHub link given in the description. And this is it for this video. Thanks for watching.